How to use the Breezhaler inhaler. The first step is to open the cap. Next, take out a capsule that contains the inhalable powder from its packaging. Employ the device intended for this purpose to take the capsule out safely. Never force the capsule through the aluminum foil. Open the space for the capsule by flipping the mouthpiece located on the top of the device. Add the capsule. Securely close the top section of the device. Simultaneously and firmly press both buttons on the lower part of the device to pierce the capsule. Then release. A sound will indicate that the powder is ready for inhalation. Prepare to inhale the medication by standing upright and holding the inhaler vertically in front of you. Breathe out completely, away from the inhaler. Put the mouthpiece in your mouth and close your lips around it securely. Then inhale through your mouth, quickly and deeply. Pull the inhaler from your mouth and hold your breath for about 10 seconds. As you inhale the powder, a distinctive rolling noise will be audible. If this sound is absent, gently tap the device against a table to adjust the capsule's position and try inhaling again. Slowly exhale outside of the inhaler and resume your normal breathing. Remove the capsule from the device. The capsule should be empty. If the capsule still contains powder, close the device and repeat the inhalation. Close the cap. The air breaker is a device that allows you to inhale your medication in powder form. You may not feel the powder during inhalation even if you are using your inhaler correctly. Seal your mouth tightly if your inhaler contains cortisone.